Let's go. Let's experience the Hikiniku, Japan's on the rice Hamburg. So what is Hikiniku? It means minced meat or ground meat, and it's cooked over charcoal or even gas kung pwede. Now, andito kami sa loob and we are seated. Oh, actually, ito ay set meal. Comes with three burger or hamburger steaks, unlimited rice, and unlimited soup. So, yan ang basic order. And so, yan, as we are seated here, ayan, andyan ang rules, how to eat and how to prepare. Yan. So, while waiting, ayan, nakikita nyo naman how we are seated. It's prepared right in front of us. Yan. So, we are waiting for the burger. So, we ordered some drinks, iced tea, and I ordered ginger ale. Yan. So, ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman, no, na piniprepare nila. So, ayan, malapit na siguro ang ating burger. Oh, there you go, di ba? Parang amoy pa lang, ang sarap-sarap na. And let's try what it really tastes like. Yan, we were served with kimchi and we ordered potato salad as well. And yan, we ordered some eggs too. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let us see. Okay, now, ayan, kumakain na yung iba. So, let's see. And this is now my turn. And so, burger number one. Yan. Amoy pa lang, ang sarap na. Ano pa bang sasabi ko? On my first bite, ang juicy. Wala pa yung sauce or toppings, pero ang lambot niya. It seems like pakiramdam ko, wagyu, so tender, well marbled. Ayan. So, eto na. Waiting na tayo again for burger number two. At nakaka-enjoy naman silang panoorin. And while we're waiting, ayan, naisip ko, ilang grams kaya per burger to? Okay, anyway, ayan, tignan nyo naman ha. Naghihintay na kami para sa aming next burger. Yan, burger number two. So yan, this time we tried on with sauces, different kinds of sauces. Yan, and definitely, ang rule number two, try it on with the rice and the sauces. Diba? Sinunod ko talaga on how to eat it para talagang namtata. Okay, ang sarap talaga. And now, we are waiting for burger number three. Anyway, it's only rice ha. Yan. And how to eat it with the egg. Yan. So, let's see. So, there you go. And putting the egg on hot rice, mainit na kanin. Wow, napakasarap niyan. Yan. And then you put some sauces and that's burger number three. You know? Yan. Burger number three. Yan. And then sino pa ang kakain? Ayan. And then you put a lot of sauces, may radish, may kimchi, and ayan, makasarap talaga. At sulit na sulit naman ang aming experience with the hiknik dito sa BGC. Yan. Okay. Wow. So, tingnan natin. It seems hindi na siya makausap dahil napakasarap talaga. O ano kaya masasabi niya? 'Di ba? Oh, 'di ba? Ang sarap. And you know, ang sabi nga ng waiter, each serving is like 100 grams. So, pero pagkaluto, it could be 70 grams na lang. So, all in all, we had 200 grams in our tummy. Okay, siguro naman, kitang-kita nyo naman, fully satisfied kaming lahat. So, why not visit the Hikiniku here at BGC? Yum talaga! See you next time, Hikiniku!